I did a quick summer look. Of course, no liquid foundation, just moisturized my face well, went in straight with my powder foundation. And that was good enough for the whole day because it was a very humid day. See the difference? It makes a difference and can be kept in your purse as well. If you do need a concealer and you want to do more coverage, do so before applying the powder foundation. Now I'll just contour my eyes with a neutral eyeshadow. Apply it on your upper eyelid, take it up to your crease line. If you have hooded eyes, go further up, and whatever's left on your brush, bring it down to your lower outer lash line. Now straight go in with a kajal. That's what I did. I didn't know what I'm going to do before this, so kajal is the easiest. I'll smudge it out and maybe I'll kind of pull it out and make a tiny wing. First I'll make sure I smudge it out well and then just use the product left on the brush and create a wing. Then you just wipe it and it works out. Same with the other eye. A smudge brush really helps, or a pencil brush in your kit. It's one of the best things you can keep. Now whatever is left on your brush from that wing, just join it by lining your upper eyelid mildly. Definitely complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. I always set my eyebrows with a gel, that way it stays in place. Lining and filling out your lips with a nude lip liner before lipstick application makes your lipstick stay longer. I'm going to use a nude lipstick, but first I line it with a brown and just kind of dab it out. Use a nude lipstick of your choice. This is Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Because it's a pale shade, I'm going to contour around my lips with a brown so that it doesn't look washed out. I'm not going to contour, but a little blush will work out. If you use it in this angle, your face will look contoured. I use a cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, by all means use a powder blush on. Touch up your powder foundation at this stage. I'm using a mild highlighter because I really like the look of it. And my makeup is pretty done. This for me is summer makeup. Do give it a try. If you need to use concealers or correctors, do so before using the powder foundation. But this kind of makeup is comfortable, it lets you breathe, and there's some glam factor. So anyway, I'll see you soon. Take care and stay glam.